Next, let's implement the count method that returns the total number of orders. To do so, we need to create another named query in the model class book order here. The second named query, the name of the query is book order count all, and the query is select count asterisk O from book order. Okay, and in the count method we simply delegate the code to the superclass method count with name query here, and the query name is book order count O. And now let's write a test method. We have the test count here, integer, long total orders equal order DAO count, and we assert equals